Guys, good morning. You want to see this? I show you. Wait a while. It's the link of Hamdan Pass 3. Hamdan Pass 31. So this is it. Did you see the link I always shared in my screen video record? So this is it. Did you see in the upper side? Did you see this one in the upper side? It's me. This is him. But some woman doesn't believe on this because of the pretend person they have talking every day that pretend that he is the prince of Dubai, Hamdan Fasa. So it's the fault of the woman too. If the, if she believe he knows that have already attachment, but why she believe it's her problem, okay? So I block her. So I touch this small profile. So this is me. So do you didn't think why she's sharing this? This is a big mystery in a way. So if you don't believe this attachment and you believe the pretend person Hamdan Fasa in social media, especially in Facebook, so if you get scammed, it's your problem. It's not my problem and the problem of Prince Hamdan of Dubai. Okay? So I just share these things. You want to see this one? This is We Love Dubai 2. If you see those the screen video I always share, it's a screen video record. Okay? So this is same. So we must think well. Okay? If you believe the trap, you will trap. Okay? So it's none of our problem anymore because we are sharing this information. So this is it. But some woman doesn't believe. They believe the fake account in social media. They used only the Prince Hamdan Fasa's photo and information. Some now use the photo, but the name is other, is not Hamdan Fasa. They used not the they didn't use the name of Hamdan Fasa. They only used the photo of the prince. It's really shame. It's really shame. This kind of people in social media. So I blocked one lady today because she said I am the real girlfriend. Oh my God. It's up to them if she gets scam. I don't care. So I block her. So I want to back. I want to show you this one.
Si no sabes qué preparar en casa para los niños, entonces prepara esta deliciosa receta y solo necesitas. Si no sabes qué preparar en casa para los niños, entonces.
So is it? This is the link I have shared to all of you now. Okay. So it's up to you if you don't believe. I just try to check this link to see who is in TikTok. Okay, I want to check again, touch again. So take a look. So it's same, and the link, and they will have Dubai to link TikTok with TikTok account and Hamdan Pass 31 YouTube channel. Did you see? And the upper one. And here. Is the same. Okay? And here. Okay? And the friend is in the middle is my friend in this account. I check in this account. So it's the problem of the woman if they believe the fake facade in social media. Okay? So you are in the trap of it. So it's not our problem. I am here to help the prince to clean his name. That he is not the one using that multiple account in social media. Okay? So good night to everyone and have a nice night. Sweet dreams.
Buksan ang kalan.
So okay, this is it. I want to check the comment. So this is a no, this is a photo. Oh, I want to share this also in my TikTok. Take a look. I show you my link. So this one. I show you. So this is my account. This one. So this is my account. Okay? And this is We Love Dubai too. Okay, We Love Dubai too, and this is the owner of the YouTube channel, Hamdan Fast 31 or Hamdan Fast 3. Okay, and this is my account, the attachment of We Love Dubai too. So take a look. I am in the app. So meaning I am the owner of that website link. Okay? You must think well. And he attached on it, We Love Dubai to this one. So okay? So it's up to all women. If you believe they pretend Fasa in social media, you only taking the photo, but the owner of the account is other person. So okay, so always take care, otherwise you drop it, and then you come to my channel and you commented not good, I will block you too. I will report your account or your channel. So this is it. This is my account. This is my channel. This is my YouTube channel. Our photos together. My videos. Take a look. So good luck to all women. Have a nice night. Sweet dreams and good night. So okay. So this is it, okay? TikTok link website. So this is it. So okay. So try to think very well, okay? This is my account, Sel Iros TV. I can upload now. Have magic, right? So I upload. Wait a while. So I don't know what is the post. So only the link only the link he shared, the TikTok one. So I can see the link. So manage. So now it's uploaded. I don't know what is the video. It was 3 video, maybe the ice baby. So February 11, 2024. If I am not sure, today is the birthday of his mom. Hello, mom. Happy birthday. The gift for togetherness, I will give it to you personally. Don't worry. So take a look. You must think well. This link is from him. He shared it in his channel, okay? So I just prove it. So okay, this is it. So good night and God bless.